You backspace, you lose. Let's go. So we're going to touch server.js, then we are going to touch package.json, then we need to edit both of those, okay? Inside of package.json is just two squiggle brackets. Then we need to require HTTP module and then create a server off of that, which is just going to take an anonymous function, and we are going to ask for something and it is going to give something back, okay? Then we are going to just, I don't know, say like hello world, right? Just something simple there. And then we are going to listen on process.environment.port in all capitals, okay? Then once we do that, we're going to type I am lazy right here, just a little macro to git push Roku master public service announcement intermission. Read the fucking documentation. Stop groping your way around with IntelliSense like a fucking idiot. You think that you like OOP, but you really don't. It's just that you're a hack who hasn't read the documentation, so you're like, ooh, it's an object, let me guess what I can use, right? And then you just use the IntelliSense to just pick whatever you think is right, okay? Yeah, oh, that sounds right. IntelliSense said so let's just go with that. Yeah, fuck off. Okay, hello world, still working. Awesome, we're done.